Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to change your name in your Clash Royale account. Considering that you want an update to your name or you want to modify it into something that is more enjoyable to look or more competitive. First, you need to log in inside the game, and then after logging in using your Supercell ID, you need to click the hamburger icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. This icon will show these options like battle log, leaderboards, TV Royale, training comp, settings, and Supercell ID. But for this video, we will be focusing on changing your name in your Clash Royale account, so you need to head into the settings button. This settings button will show this interface where you can select the change name here. Click the change name button, and then Clash Royale offers a free change name for new accounts, and can be only used once. So click the OK button, and then here you can enter a new name. For example, I'd like to use this new name. And then once you have decided that this is the final name that you want to use for your account, just simply click the continue button, and then it will update automatically in your profile page of your Clash Royale account. So that's it. That's how you can change your name in Clash Royale, and thank you for listening.